Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Wanted to do a quick little review on this Ryobi corner cat finish sander. I've never used this before. I'm not sponsored by any means. I just picked this up from Home Depot for $45 because I want to refurbish this table. Now this table was gifted to me actually quite a while ago. It's just been sitting in my garage, and I pulled it in here because it looks super cute in my my little dining area. So I thought, well, I'm gonna go ahead and play with it. These little chairs here, I just picked both of these up from the marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, for just $25. So basically, this is gonna cost me $25 to have a beautiful, hopefully beautiful little dining area. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, I wanted to tell you real quick the reason why I got the little nose pointy thing is because see down here on the bottom, it has all these little grooves and everything like that. So anyway, this table has been painted over many times, and as you can see, it needs some help. Let's start with the review. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and I opened it up on one end already, which was actually kind of a challenge. They glued the ends down very well. And as you can see, it comes with its own little bag, which I like everything that has its own little storage spot. And this is what you see right when you open it up. So this one, pull that out. It's pretty big. Wasn't expecting it to be so big, but anyway, that's okay. So let's see here. It has this little bag here to collect dust, I guess, or some dust. It has this cap right here. So, so you can put your refillable sandpapers on there. And looks like right here is just the on-off switch. So pretty simple, pretty basic. I think I can handle that one. Inside here has your sandpaper. Let's see, it has some 240. Let's see here, two 240s, 120, 120, 120, so three 120s, a 60, two 60s, and I guess that's it. So anyway, comes with some sandpaper so you can play around with it. Well, I'm going to be using that. Comes with these, what is this? These pads. Oh, these must be for polishing off, polishing pads. So cool. So it's a sander and a polisher as well. And then, of course, the instruction booklet is right in here too. So looks pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to go ahead and wipe the table down and show you how well this thing works. Hopefully it works well. Let's check it out. Like I said, I've never used it before. As you can see here, it's kind of like felt, so it literally just velcros right on there. That's it. You don't have to use any tools or anything like that. So now it is good to go. Okay, so I just moved the chairs out of the way. I cleaned everything off with this crud cutter. So anyway, just sprayed it on there and wiped it off, so it's all nice and clean. And look at the finish on it, you guys, it's so horrible. Now we're gonna try out our sander. So let's get started. So I do have to say that this little sander did such a wonderful job. It didn't really take me all that long to just finish the top of this. Like I said, this was painted multiple times, So I went through 2 pads of the sandpaper, and I have to go get some more right now. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm still trying to decide if I want to paint it again or if I want to keep it natural. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. So I'd like to hear. Anyway, have to say that this little thing is a gem. And didn't take me any work, having no muscle or anything like that, and I like that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, and let's do the completion. Bye-bye now.